Alright, so earlier today I was showing you the jailbreak on the second generation iTouch, and I've already customized it with a theme called Live OS. You can find that on Cydia. Download it and show you how it looks like. That is Live OS, and see if we can unlock it. That's what it looks like. Go through all the pages. And I'm still filling these sections in. What's cool about it is if you launch any of the apps, see here, Calculator's got a theme on it. What do we got? Settings. And these are what I installed for this to get it to work like that. See what else. That over there is a back button. Put you back to the home page. Oh, that's about it.